Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with another video, and yeah, of course, it's Zara and H&M haul, our favorite. So without further ado, let's directly dive into the video. And before that, please do consider subscribing to my channel and hit that like button. And yeah, bell icon of course, so you get notified whenever I upload new video. So yeah, without further ado, let's directly begin with the video. So very first thing which I want to share is this beautiful off-shoulder balloon sleeves top. It has organza sleeves, as you can see, and the color is beautiful. It is just like a fairy kind of a color, Barbie kind of a color, Barbie pink. And you can literally wear with anything, you know. ये बहुत अच्छा, बहुत खूबसूरत सा top है. It looks really pretty, really beautiful. And yeah, I am wearing it in the size small, and it looks really very nice. I love the color, I love the pattern, I love this organza sleeves. It looks really very cute, and you can wear it like this also. I mean, of course, this is quite trending, so ऐसे भी पहन सकते हैं. It can be worn like that also, and this also. I mean, you can wear it like off-shoulder top also, and you can wear it like this, but I prefer article I purchased is again from H&M. It is this cropped shirt in black shade, and it is in pure cotton material, but it looks really very smart, as you can see. And again, it is also in the size small, but it is very comfortable, and it is in boxy fit. So yeah, so I just love the look of this shirt, so I'm thinking to pick up some more shades. I mean, they have 6 or 7 shades in this, I mean colors in this particular pattern, and this crop shirt looks really very amazing. I'm really liking it. So I'm wearing again with the same black wide leg pants, but honestly with anything it is going to look fabulous. So the finish is really very nice. And something about the shirts, you know, मुझे shirts पहनना बहुत पसंद है, and this kind of basic shirts, it looks really very nice. So price, I mean, it is priced at rupees 699 or 799, I'm not sure, so I'll link it here, but it looks really very nice for the price. So next I purchased is this beautiful satin scarf top or bandana top. I mean, that trend where you wear bandana scarf as a top. So this is that kind of top, but it has spaghetti strap, so it is kind of secure and very comfortable, and it has this tie knot pattern at the back, but इसमें clip है, that hook pattern. So first you have to just hook it, I mean from the back, and then ऊपर से you can just tie it, and yeah, it looks really very nice, and it is in satin fabric, so it looks really very sparkly and pretty. Yeah, so it looks really very nice, and it is double lined, so it is double lined till here, and नीचे भी यहाँ पे elasticated secure वो दिया गया है, so of course you can wear it like however you want. So it looks really very pretty. So it is spaghetti top, I mean spaghetti cum bandana and come stole kind of a top, and the color is beautiful. It is not pure white, it is ivory white, so it is going to brighten up the complexion very much. So yeah, and it looks really pretty from the back also. So yeah, let me change in the next. So next I purchased is this beautiful sky blue off shoulder balloon sleeves peplum kind of a top. It looks so stunning. It gives me a very Cinderella kind of a vibe. I mean, yeah, it looks really very cute. So it fits me really very nicely. I mean, I got it in the size small, and as you can see, it fits like a glove, and the sleeves are also very comfortable, as you can see. I mean, इसमें बहुत ज़्यादा space है, so बहुत टाइट नहीं है स्लीव्स इसकी, एंड अगेन नीचे फ्रिल डिटेलिंग दी गई है, सो इट गिव्स अ लिटिल इल्यूजन ऑफ अ पेप्लम टॉप, and it has a elasticated back and ruched detailing all over the back area. So back से भी ये बहुत प्यारा लगता है टॉप, and it gives a little room and space. So next thing I purchased is from H&M. It is this white crop tee. It looks really very pretty, right? So yeah, as you can see here, and this is in size small, so it is very comfortable. I am wearing it with denims. These are black wide leg denims from Zara. I also purchased these. I mean, you will see this. You guys must have seen the same pair in blue in my previous Zara haul. So इस बार मैंने black लिया है, and these are really very comfortable. Let me tell you, these are really very nice. It looks amazing. So these are little bit longer, of course, because these are full length wide leg denims, but with high heels and shoes it will work perfectly fine for me. And something about Zara denims, they fits like a glove. The fitting is superb, and yeah, of course it doesn't have any give or stretch. I mean, these are not stretchable, so this is the one thing should be kept in mind while buying. So I did size up in this. I mean, मैंने size 38 ली है. Normally I wear size 36 in denims, so yeah, they look very nice on my body. I mean, as you can see from the back also, stunning. So yeah, this is how the whole combination looks. I mean, it is very comfortable, बहुत अच्छा है, and this is quite trending. आजकल ऐसी crop t-shirts, you can see all over social media. So yeah. So next article I purchased from Zara is this beautiful sea green lace top. I mean, it is a lacy crop top. So this top comes basically in 3 colors, I guess. Yeah, one is black, one is pink or peach kind of I don't know, I don't remember exactly, but yeah, and the third one is this beautiful sea green. तो मेरे पास इस कलर का टॉप एक भी नहीं था, so I thought to buy one. It looks really very pretty, but yeah, it is bit of a transparent, so you have to wear proper undergarment. It looks so pretty. It gives the illusion of having a longer neck. It looks really very nice. So next article I purchased is also from H&M. It is this pink joggers. So these are the joggers. These looks really very comfortable, and I'm very sorry about the lighting, guys, because abhi the weather is very bad, and it's almost like about to rain, so it is pretty dark out there, तो lighting इसीलिए मिल नहीं पा रही है, so I'm so sorry about that. But yeah, these are the joggers. I got it in the size small, and they are very comfortable. It looks really very stunning, and yeah. So next thing I purchased is this crop top. So I basically bought it to wear with this trousers. These are like a plazo trousers, wide leg. It is also in sea green, but मुझे लगा कि थोड़ा similar color होगा, but it is visibly different. But yeah, it will still work as a quad. I mean, it looks nice together. So this is how the top looks like. Yeah. It really looks nice, and I got it in the size small, and I got trousers in the size medium, but this is very loose, so I'll suggest you to size down in this, because this is how the trousers looks like. They're nice. So they're in the wide leg pattern, but yeah, if you are in my size, so I will suggest you to size down, because I wear size 10 in denim, so I bought a size medium in trousers, but it has so much room in the waistline area, as you can see, so I have to get it done tailored thoda sa, but because from the thighs and this area, it is very comfortable, and मुझे थोड़ा सा लूज ही चाहिए, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा टाइट चाहिए नहीं, so इसीलिए मैंने एक्सचेंज और रिटर्न नहीं किया. So I will get it done थोड़ा सा, but yeah, the length is perfect. I mean, length is good. So quick apologies, guys, because my camera battery is about to die. I mean, there is only 10% battery left in the camera, and there are already 10 pieces are left to try on, because I have stopped a lot. So I'm going to make a part 2 of this Zara and H&M haul. So I'm going to make a part 2 of this Zara and H&M haul video. So make sure you subscribe to my channel, and give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Bye guys. And yeah, please join me on Instagram as well, guys, please.